Okay, I'm back. I totally forgot to mention anything about the code for that example, but let's look at it now. So I literally just used the button example, and you can find it by going to examples, digital, and button. Okay, and then I added a few other things to it. So we have an integer, which can also be a constant. Sometimes this isn't absolutely necessary, but if you know it's never going to change, you can make it a constant. That's pin 2, which is what we plugged it into. We have the LED pin 13, which is a normal thing. We have the button state, so that's either going to be 0 or 1. So here we set the pin mode of the LED to output because we want to output to the LED. The button pin is going to be an input because we're taking it from the real world and going into our Arduino. And then in the loop, we're going to assign button state to the value that we read from the button. And so before you actually hook this up to your circuit, before you actually try to get it to turn your LED on and off, you can go to your serial monitor, which I guess you won't be able to see. But if you click up here, you'll see in your serial monitor, the way that I have this hooked up now, you should only see ones, and when you click, you should see all zeros. And this is really, if your thing's not working, the first thing you want to do is check your serial monitor. And just remember, to get the serial monitor to work, you need this line, serial.begin, and then some rate. The good one to use is 9600, and that goes into setup. Okay, so now that we got, now that we know that the signal from the button is being sent into the Arduino, we can use that information to turn the light on and off. Okay, so now we're just going to use just a normal if statement to say, if the button state is high, meaning is it a 1, we're going to turn the LED on. And this is the same way as we were doing it before manually with the delay before, and how you did it in your Morse code assignment, right? But now we're pulling the button for it, and we're going to turn it on. And if it's not set to high, if it's set to low, we're going to turn it off. Okay, that's all for that. See you next time.